Good morning, students. In previous class, we studied about the formation of soil, about the layers of soils, and about the life in the soil. So, let's continue the remaining part of this chapter. Our next topic is soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the slow and steady loss of a topsoil, that is known as soil erosion. You know that the topsoil is the uppermost layer of soil profile, and when there is a loss of a topsoil, that is known as soil erosion. Rain, water, and strong winds carry away topsoil from the field, and soil erosion reduce the fertility of the field and it make the land barren. Barren means जो land होती है वो बंजर हो जाती है. That is not good for the growing crops. So let us learn how water and wind carry away the topsoil. First is water. During the heavy rain, जब बहुत तेज बारिश होती है, huge quantity of water flow with a great force. बहुत तेजी से पानी आता है and it carries away a good part of the topsoils. And the flood that is also play an important role in a soil erosion. क्योंकि flood में बहुत तेज बारिश होती है जब flood आती है और वो topsoil को अपने साथ बहाकर ले जाती है. And the topsoil is more in a hilly areas because due to the water flows it in a down position and the slope is down, so the soil erosion more in a hilly area due to water flows down the slopes at a greater speed and force. Next is wind. The topsoil of the earth that is soft and light, so when the strong winds blow, the topsoil is blown away to another place and this is called soil erosion. जब बहुत तेज हवा चलती है तो वो अपने साथ जो मिट्टी होती है, जो टॉपसॉइल की जो मिट्टी होती है उसको अपने साथ भागकर ले जाती है. एंड दिस इज हैपन when there is a no grass or there is a no plant in the soil, because plant जो होता है वो soil को bind करके रखता है. But if there is no grass and no plant, the soil erosion is more than the land where the plant and trees are there. So जहाँ अगर वहाँ पे ग्रास भी नहीं है, प्लांट्स भी नहीं है, तो सॉइल जो होगी वो हवा के साथ बहकर चली जाएगी एंड वहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, सॉइल इरोजन हो जाएगा. The soil erosion is very common in a desert area and this is why this is there more, because the soil in the desert is loose due to the absence of plant. We know that there is a lack of water in the desert area, that's why in a desert soil erosion is more than the other part. Our next topic is human cause of soil erosion. सॉइल इरोजन जो होता है बाय नेचर से होता है, बाय द विंड एंड बाय द वाटर, बट द ह्यूमन इज ऑल्सो बिहाइंड द रीजन बिहाइंड द सॉइल इरोजन. सो द मैनी एक्टिविटीज ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, दे आर ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सॉइल इरोजन. फर्स्ट इज डिफॉरेस्टेशन. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. So when man has cut down a large number of trees for the building houses, for the fuel, wood and paper, etc., the result is soil erosion. And when trees are cut down, the soil become loose and easily carried away. So deforestation is a cause of soil erosion and it is done by the humans. Next is overgrazing. Due to the continuous grazing by the cattle on the same pieces of land, that is lead to its barrenness. जब एक जगह पर जो कैटल्स है वो कंटिन्यूसली ग्रेजिंग करते हैं, घास जो होती है वहाँ की खा लेते हैं, जो लैंड हो जाती है वो क्या हो जाती है, बैरन हो जाती है एंड दिस कॉल्ड सॉइल इरोजन. नेक्स्ट इज प्लॉइंग ऑफ हिली साइड. व्हेन द कंटिन्यूस प्लॉइंग ऑफ हिल साइड्स रिजल्ट इन द लूजनिंग ऑफ द सॉइल, दैट इंक्रीज सॉइल इरोजन. प्लॉइंग मीन्स व्हेन लैंड जो होती है उसको हर क्रॉप को जब हम कट करते हैं तो जो सॉइल होती है वो क्या हो जाती है, बैरन हो जाती है. सो व्हेन द कंटिन्यूअस प्लॉइंग इज देयर, प्लॉइंग मीन्स लूजनिंग ऑफ सॉइल. जब सॉइल को बार बार लूज करा जाता है, जब सॉइल लूज हो जाती है तो वो सॉइल इरोजन को इंक्रीज करती है, बिकॉज जो सॉइल होती है लूज होने के बाद बहुत ईजीली विंड से और वाटर से बहकर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चली जाती है. एंड इन द प्लेन एरिया व्हेन द क्रॉप्स हार्वेस्ट, जब भी फसल कटती है जो सॉइल होती है वो थोड़े दिन के लिए बंजर पड़ी रहती है. एंड व्हेन इट इज़ barren फॉर सम टाइम which also help the wind to blow away the fertile soil. So how can we conserve soil? What is conservation of soil? We have studied earlier that the soil erosion, but how can we conserve this soil erosion? So the conservation of soil erosion is known as soil conservation. So the protection of soil from being carried away by water and wind, that is known as soil conservation. And what are the ways through which we can conserve soil? There is, first is growing trees. So soil erosion can be prevented by growing trees and bushes along the boundaries of the fields, and the row of many trees be planted. So the deep and long root of trees hold the soil particles tightly, and that is do not allow the soil to be washed away by wind and water. So if we grow more and more trees, we can conserve the soil, and we can हम रोक सकते हैं soil erosion को by the growing trees. Second is overgrazing. Avoiding overgrazing. When animals like cows, sheep and goat that graze on the same piece of land for a very long time, the grass of that land get destroyed, and as a result the top layer of the soil get exposed and it is easily blown away by the wind and water. So to stop this, fencing should be made around the land to avoid animals. You can see here is in this picture there is a fencing. Fencing means आप एक बाउंड्री बना देते हो कि उस बाउंड्री के आगे जो कैटल्स है वो नहीं जा पाएंगे. So the fencing is the stop the soil erosion and it conserve the soil. Next is terrace farming. On hilly slope, the flow of rainwater is very rapid and this carries away lot of top soil, because जो रूप जो होती है वो स्लोपी होती है और वाटर जो होता है वो बहुत जल्दी से बह जाता है. So to avoid such a loss, we can there is a steps are made on the slope to reduce the flow of water, and the soil crawl from one step and get deposit on the next. So it reduce soil erosion and this is known as terrace farming. यहाँ पर टेरेस फार्मिंग में क्या होता है, स्टेप्स बना लिए जाते हैं जिससे जो पानी बहता है वो एक जगह आके स्टॉप हो जाता है, वो पूरा बह नहीं पाता और सॉइल जो होती है वो कंजर्व हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम. व्हेन देयर इज अ हैवी रेनफॉल, मैनी रिवर्स ओवरफ्लो एंड fields are flooded with water, and this wash away the topsoil and that is called soil erosion. So to prevent flood and soil erosion, dams are built, because the walls of the rocks and stone on the bank of a river that are called embankments, and these embankments and dams hold water between bank and that prevent soil erosion. Next is afforestation. So afforestation means the plantation of trees. Deforestation means cutting down of trees, and afforestation means plantation of trees. So the trees should be planted in a large number as they develop a forest. जब आप लार्ज नंबर पे ट्रीज लगाते हो तो दैट इज चेंज इनटू द फॉरेस्ट एंड दे स्लो डाउन द विंड एंड देयर रूट्स होल्ड द सॉइल फर्मली. अगर वहाँ पे ट्री ज़्यादा होंगे तो वो क्या करेंगे, सॉइल को पकड़ के रखते हैं, बाइंड करके रखते हैं, तो वो आसानी से विंड और स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड और वाटर के साथ बहकर नहीं जा सकती. सो एफॉरेस्टेशन इज better way to soil conservation. And you know that the trees also give us oxygen, which is very important for all living beings. So afforestation is conserve soil. So there are natural cause for the soil erosion, that is wind and water. Human cause of soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing and plowing of hillsides. And how can we conserve the soil? The many ways are there is for the soil conservation: growing trees, avoiding overgrazing, terrace farming, and construction of dam and afforestation. So student, I hope you understood this chapter. Your chapter is complete. Read this chapter carefully and try to learn a new words which are given in this chapter, and try to learn the keywords. Thank you.